Hey, this is Shelly, and this is my daughter Brooke, and I have some hair extensions that I was asked to do a review. And I was like, sure, that'd be fun. And they have all different colors, so I tried to get a color that would kind of match mine and hers, because I can see her doing all kinds of stuff with this. This is kind of what it looks like. There's several different ones. Looks like this. So she's gonna put it in my hair. And this is the first time, so we're gonna see what it looks like. All right, I kind of speeded this up a little bit, but as she's pushing, it looks like she's beating me in the head. That's just pushing down the clamps. So once you put it in, then you, well, like she just did, then you just push down on it to like a backward clip, and then it makes it go and stay. You just clip it in right there. We kind of had fun doing it. Yeah, and they stayed. I wore it the rest of this day, and they stayed really, really good. And then I figured it'd feel heavy, but it didn't. All right. What do you think, guys? It's better than I thought. It actually does kind of match. Come here. See here. See, it's gonna match her hair too. But there was like a real dark and there's like a real light, if y'all like that. But that's kind of cool. This is the first, especially this is not bad for the first time us doing it. So if anything, it's kind of fun to do and play with. But this is what it looks like. Hope it helped.